Hi everyone, this is Kate here and I welcome you to our YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to cancel Remitly transaction. So make sure to stick till the end. Now on your device, first of all, go ahead and open Remitly app and then make sure that you are logged into your account and you will be loaded to this screen right here. Here on the screen, you will be able to see all of your transfers. So in order to go to your transfer history, at the bottom of the screen, you will find an option that says receipt. So click on receipt. After that, you will see all your transfer history right here. Since I don't have any transaction till now, I won't be able to see any transaction, but in your case, if you have made some transaction, you will be able to all of your transaction history right here. So select the transaction that you want to cancel, and then after that you will be able to see an option on the red color that is cancel transaction. So simply tap on that button and then you will be again asked to confirm. After that, tap on confirm and then your transaction will be cancelled. But remember guys, this might not work on some cases when you have successfully transferred amount to the receiver. So Remitly cannot have access to the receiver account. You might not get your account back. So with that in your mind, I hope this video helps you, and if you are new to our channel, to subscribe our channel, hit the notification bell icon and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. And thank you for watching till the end.